Hi guys, in this video we are going to host a Ghost CMS on a DigitalOcean droplet. To start with, let's just get into DigitalOcean. If you don't have an account already, there will be an affiliate link down below by which you can get around $200 credits for the next 60 days to try this out for free. Click on create and droplets. Choose the region nearest to you. I'm gonna go with Bangalore. And in image, go to marketplace and search for ghost. You can find it here. Yeah, make sure you select this Ghost latest on Ubuntu 22 and droplet type, shared CPU. CPU options, let's go with regular and $12 per month. Yeah, you can also go with SSH key. To keep things simple, I'm gonna go with a password. So type in your password here. Make sure you don't miss this password. If you miss it, you won't be able to log into your container. Yeah, make sure you change your host name to anything you like. I'm just gonna go with Ghost and create droplet. It might take few minutes to set things up. I'll be back. So we can see we got our IP address here. Copy it and we need to assign a domain to it. Go to your DNS provider, click on manage. So if you're using Namecheap, make sure you have your DNS name server as Namecheap basic DNS or Namecheap web hosting DNS. If you're using a custom DNS, you have to go to that provider to add these records. So let's go to advanced DNS. Let's create a record and host name. If you're going to use just a domain like example.com, you can just go with at symbol. Or if you're going to use a subdomain like me, you can have any subdomain you want here. I'm just gonna go with CMS and let's paste our IP address here, which you can find it in the DigitalOcean dashboard. Yeah, save all changes. And now we have to SSH into this droplet. For that, we need to open up terminal. SSH root at the domain you have given. For me, it's cms.thetechmaze.me. So I'm just gonna press yes, and the password which you entered while creating the droplet, you just have to paste it. As we have clicked the ghost image, it will do all the things to install for us. We just have to click enter and enter few details that it's asking. So in blog URL, let's go with https://cms.ghost, sorry, not ghost, techmaze.me. So enter your domain here, like whichever you have added in the A record. Like if you added without the subdomain, just go with http:// your domain. That's it. If you're using a subdomain, go with this and press enter. And enter your email here for SSL certification. Yeah, as we can see, our ghost is started. We can now go into this URL and we can see if it works. Yeah, it works. I'm just gonna enter the details here. The take me your email here. Create account. Yeah. As we can see, I have logged in to the ghost. If you have anything to say, I would love to hear it in the comments. If you like this type of content, please do subscribe and thanks for watching.